what we got going on here is I'm doing a hardwire install for the Wolfbox mirror. So if you're doing a Focus ST, the mirror is not that easy to get off. So it basically just slides on. As you can see here, let me swap hands. It just slides on. So I said swap hands and I still didn't even record that well. But the slide's on there. I think it actually went on like this. But anyways, when you're doing this, in order to get it off, just get a pocket screwdriver or something small, get in here and bend it up a little bit, and you're gonna push on this piece right here while you're pushing it up. What it does is it bends these prongs out just a little bit to where you can slide the mirror off. There's no tabs or anything that lock it into place. It just grips onto the mirror just like that. So I got it all wired up. It is now kind of hidden. If you look at it the wrong angle, I still gotta tuck in some of the wiring and such. But yeah, I mean, it works already. Turn on the ignition. Boom. Turn off the car, see if it turns off. There it goes. Now it's off. So just used a fuse tap. If anybody else is doing this on a Focus ST, looks like fuse 89 is on all the time, and fuse 87, or no, this is fuse 89. Okay. So fuse 87 is on when the key is on. So if you use 2 fuse taps, you get accessory and battery. So, and then I just used a ground that is actually this bolt right up here. Goes to underneath the glove box. Forgot that I was also doing the hard wire for my radar detector. So I just snipped off the end of this. I'm gonna run the ground to the same spot, but I had to cut off the connector and just put some heat shrink over it, use the lighter. Not the best, but it'll do. Back under the car, so I found out that every fuse on this side of the fuse box seems to be on when the ignition is on. So I'm just gonna use another one of those, throw a fuse in there, call it good. All tucked in. Did a better job getting it underneath the headliner. Probably move around the excess a little bit, but for now I am happy with how that turned out. Onto the backup camera now. The camera wire is ran and it just fell down, of course, but ran it all the way from the back. If you don't have one of these, invest in it. It's called long fingers or a bolt grabber, but basically it helps. You can slide in to all these little areas, grab the wire, pull it through, good to go. So that's what I recommend. This is the finished product. Go ahead and turn the car on so you can see it. Everything works as expected. I really like the camera quality on this. Super nice, sees pretty far down too. But that's gonna end the video, just installing these 2 things. I know the wires are kind of sloppy, but it's a lot better than what it was, dangling right in front of me while you're driving. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. See you in the next video.